It was recently announced on Mac Rumors that customers are holding on to their Apple devices a lot longer than 4 years ago, resulting in slower upgrade cycles. But why? In the last 12 months, 71% of iPhone owners and 68% of Mac owners reported their previous device was over 2 years old, up from 63% and 59% in 2020. The economical impact of COVID-19 and battery life are the two main reasons. Amidst the pandemic, there was a surge in demand for technology to support remote working and online education. At the time, many of us weren't allowed to leave our homes, and working from home became a thing. Children had to continue their education from home on Zoom. The second reason for slowing upgrade cycles is battery life. Battery life technology in our phones and laptops have drastically improved, further reducing any incentive to upgrade as frequently prior to the pandemic. With interest rates at the highest they've ever been, people are becoming more reluctant to spend, thereby opting to maximise the lifespan of their existing devices, rather than investing in new ones. So these are the reasons why Apple users are keeping their devices for much longer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.